Mounting air handlers and condensers. Welcome. Mounting air handlers and condensers. This class is all about proper mounting, alignment, and support, because if your equipment isn't mounted right, it's going to vibrate, leak, or break down over time. Let's start with the air handler. Mounting air handlers, indoor unit. The air handler is installed inside the home, usually in an attic, garage, laundry room, or closet. It must be mounted securely and level. Here's what to check. Platform. If it's going on a wood or metal stand, make sure the platform is level and reinforced. Wobbling or tilting can damage the blower motor or create drainage issues. Suspension. If hanging from the ceiling, like in many attic installs, use threaded rods with vibration isolators. Never hang it directly with metal strap only, that transmits vibration to the structure. Drain pan and float switch. Always place a secondary drain pan underneath the air handler. Install a float switch in the emergency pan to shut off the system if the pan fills with water. Clearance. Make sure you leave enough space for service. You must be able to access the blower, control board, filter, and evaporator coil. Seal the return and supply ducts. Use mastic, foil tape, or both. Air leaks reduce efficiency and create dust and humidity problems. Mounting condensers, outdoor unit. Now let's go outside to the condenser. Here's how to mount it properly. Concrete pad or hurricane-rated stand. Always install the condenser on a level pad or stand. If you're in Florida or any hurricane zone, use a stand that meets wind code and anchor it with approved straps. Clearance. Leave at least 12 inches on all sides and 5 feet above. Don't install it in a corner with blocked airflow. The condenser fan must breathe freely. Distance to wall. The service panel should face outward and be accessible. Never face it toward a wall where the tech can't reach it. Avoid direct sun or roof runoff. If possible, install where the unit is shaded, but not under a gutter. Rainwater pouring on the condenser can lead to rust and electrical issues. Level it. Use a level tool. If the condenser is tilted, oil won't return to the compressor properly, and vibrations can damage refrigerant lines. Vibration pads. Place rubber or cork pads under the condenser feet. This prevents noise and keeps the vibrations from transferring into the home.